Action Jackson. Today we have a website sneaker review. We've reviewed the website and we evaluate it. Today is from Kicktronics. It is located in Paterson, New Jersey. And it's a Jordan 1, as you can see. I got this sneaker for $290. It came shipped double boxed. Anybody can appreciate that, so that's a good thing right there. And let's take a look. I'm not going to review it, but we're reviewing the website, and the website is up to date for the most part. And let's take a look. Bada bing, Jordan 1 bread toe. This was a size 6. I got it for $290. That is a very good price. So it's the going rate for the most part at the time. So there it is. Not going to review the shoe. Both shoes look great. There it is. Good quality leather. So I got that for $290, and the service was quick. They shipped UPS. It took about 3-4 days, and this was from Kicktronics in Paterson, New Jersey. So let's do a review. Would I buy from them again? Yes. I've been on their site the last couple of days looking for some steals or whatever. Out of a 5, what would I rate it? I would rate it I would rate it a 5 out of 5 because I got what I paid for. I did order something else and they refunded me. They refunded 2 of my orders. And I think it was a pricing or a website issue. I think it was a pricing issue, unfortunately, which I hate those, but whatever. So that's it. 5 out of 5. I mean, I can't complain. I got what I ordered. I didn't have to file a PayPal case because I didn't receive the item. I did receive the item. It is 100% authentic, and you can't ask for much more than that. So that is that. Kicktronics, good website. Check it out. Kicktronics.com. Again, I'm not endorsing any of these websites. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting any coupons. I'm not getting nothing for this. I'm just doing it just to document what I buy and just to document to the world, I guess, because it's a fun little hobby. So thank you for watching. Kicktronics, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe if you like this type of content, because I do make more of these type of videos. So thanks. Update time. Alright, so I just mentioned I gave Kicktronics a perfect score. So we're gonna update that. I'm going to retract the 5 out of 5 and give it a 4 out of 5. And for a couple reasons. One, Kicktronics is like a StockX/GOAT. So other sellers, they sell on the actual platform itself. So there's irresponsible sellers that like to refund. And I placed like 5 orders with them, and almost all of them got refunded. And so that in itself needs to subtract the point, because that's just, it sucks getting refunded like that. They do refund the order if it's out of stock, so that's that. So that's the reasoning behind it. The site itself is legit from my first order, so that's what I'm judging it on. I plan on doing more business if I do find anything good. The prices are they're market prices for the most part, some above market and some below market. So that's pretty much it. And that's what I'm sticking to. That's my rating, and I'm sticking to it. So thank you for watching this.